officially divorced. Of course, she's no longer interested in the marriage. Neither am I. So, I am now a single man. Happiness. I know that I made a huge mistake. But I'm here for you now. Okay? I want to be in your life. So please, make me the happiest man on earth. And marry me.
Yes. All my country people, is always Sonia's smile for me. Her smile is so contagious. Hello. This movie and everything and more. I know I see they do and for my page. I don't bring another wingy movie come from Nadomot. This particular one, I like here. This movie is all about betrayal. You know, being betrayed by your own blood sister. And after everything, karma hit on her, and now she's apologizing. Being that this girl is a girl with pure heart, you know, heart of gold, she had to forgive her sister. But how much she never really dealt with Sonia on this particular one. Make her play and first, make una watch.
Please. Stand. Stand. It's okay. Sit down. Talk to me. What happened?
It's a long story. I came here to ask Raymond to forgive me. And since you're here, it's obvious you both are together now, which is how it ought to have been. I don't want him to take me back because I know I am not worthy to be his wife again. I only want him to forgive me. Raymond is such a nice man and I treated him badly. Please, I'm so sorry. Please help me beg him to forgive me, please. Please.
It's okay, I'll talk to him. I'll tell him.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I left some things behind when I ran away. I don't know what became of them when he moved here. I also want to go to the village. I want to go and meet my mom. Let me see if I can start life afresh again.
I had to help put your things together while we're moving, and I don't know if this can help, at least for your transport.
Miss,
It's okay.
I don't deserve this. I don't deserve any of this.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Who let you in?
Babe, what is she doing here? How the hell did you get into my house?
Please calm down.
This video is really emotional. There is no how you watch this movie and you will not shed tears. Seriously, I don't even know why they have to forgive her, because she overdue for this movie. If not that they say that blood is thicker than water, or how are they saying it? Almost she deserves no forgiveness. If you see the way I just they shout on top of my voice, I beg no forgive her. She not deserve her.